The room is still, but my thoughts keep moving. Every corner holds a trace of what is missing. Morning finds me wide awake, listening to the pouring rain. I keep reaching for the words I never found the strength to say. Every picture on the wall takes me somewhere I once knew. I thought time would clear the air, but every road still leads to you. I built these walls to keep me strong, but strength feels different when you're gone. I tell myself I'll be alright, then lose that courage every night. When the silence comes, I hear the echoes growing. When the lights go out, I feel the distance showing. I gave my trust, I opened every door. Now I'm learning how to stand without what held me up before. When the silence comes, I finally understand. Some hearts leave an empty space that time alone cannot command. People tell me I should move, find another road ahead, but they never hear the conversations still repeating in my head. I have tried to hide the truth, tried to smile and play along, but pretending I'm untouched doesn't make the feeling gone. I built these walls to keep me strong, but strength feels different when you're gone. Still somewhere underneath the pain, I know I'll find myself again. When the silence comes, I hear the echoes growing. When the lights go out, I feel the distance showing. I gave my trust, I opened every door. Now I'm learning how to stand without what held me up before. When the silence comes, I finally understand. Some hearts leave an empty space that time alone cannot command. Maybe healing isn't forgetting, maybe letting go takes time. Maybe every broken moment leaves a little strength behind. I may carry what we had, but it won't control my way. There will come another morning, and I'll meet it unafraid. When the silence comes, I won't fear the echoes calling. When the lights go out, I'll believe a dawn is forming. I gave my trust, and I would give it once again. Because losing what once held me doesn't mean my story ends. When the silence comes, I'll remember who I am. Some hearts leave an empty space, but I will learn to stand. The room is still, and my thoughts are finally slowing. The night remains, but somewhere morning is growing.